Welcome to the Disability Prevention and Rehabilitation Program, DPRP Quarter 4 video report. As we conclude the year, we reflect on the progress made and the meaningful impact the program continues to have across Kajiado County and beyond. This quarter focused on strengthening systems, empowering communities, and advancing inclusion across health, education, and social services. At the county level, leadership remains central to the success of DPRP.
We're grateful for the partnership that the county government and the social services have enjoyed.
In the health sector, DPRP continues to promote inclusive and preventive healthcare through partnership with facilities such as Isinya Health Center and Kitengela Sub-County Hospital. Efforts are underway to ensure children with disabilities and those at the risk can access timely, quality service.
This is Julius, Sub-County MOH, Kajiado East. We are really happy because when you look at the program, DPRP program, it has really improved these facilities. There before, we used to see very few children coming for physiotherapy because we have a therapist here. But currently we have over 100.
Prevention remains a key pillar of the program, with routine immunization, early identification, and community outreach playing a critical role in reducing disability-related risks. At the community level, community health assistants and promoters are at the heart of DPRP implementation. Through home visits, use of the individual rehabilitation plan tool, and continuous community sensitization, they help identify needs early and connect families to appropriate services.
Hii kaunti yetu ya Kajiado wakishikana na Action Foundation wameweza kututrain courses mingi venye tunaweza saidia caregivers ama wale watoto wenye wako na ulemavu kila aina, ili wasiwe wanapelekwa tu for physiotherapy peke yake. Sisi wenyewe ama caregiver waweze kujisaidia kule nyumbani.
Most of the things as chairs and community health promoters we never knew and we didn't know. But from the education and even the trainings that we have been going on, it has really helped us.
This quarter also saw intensive hands-on training for CHAS and CHPs, equipping them with practical skills in home-based therapy and disability-inclusive care. In education, DPRP continues to support inclusive learning environment. The Deputy Director of Education shares progress made in advancing inclusive education within the county.
We had the baseline survey, which was very successful, and we were able to identify learners who are able differently. Then afterward, we went to schools physically now doing identification of those learners.
At Kikayaya Primary School, simple yet impactful interventions such as construction of ramps are helping to remove physical barriers to learning.
We have ramps starting with our ECD all through, even our office, so that if at all we have any teacher, any child, be it an ECD child, be it any other child in our school, the parents, the community at large, anyone with any disability, he or she is not limited.
Community ownership was further strengthened through formation and training of steering committees.
We've been able to actually map up and mobilize a multi-sectoral steering committee for purposes of supporting the implementation process of the CBR. And the same steering committee, we were able to actually train them so that they are able to understand their roles and responsibilities.
Mafunzo tumetembea kwa nyumba ambayo wale wako na disability, na tumeona watu wameanza kujitokeza, wametoa watoto wao, wamekubali. Walikuwa wameficha watoto, lakini tangu tupate hata sisi ile mafunzo ambayo tunaenda kuwafunza, hata wao wenyewe wamekubali na wamejitokeza.
Economic empowerment remains critical component of the program.
We are also mobilizing the caregivers, the parents, to actually form groups, or rather support groups, so that they can be able to provide psychosocial support among themselves.
Looking ahead, the Disability Prevention and Rehabilitation Program continues to grow. Building on lessons from Kajiado County, DPRP is expanding its reach to Murang'a and the Kilifi counties. Entry meetings have already been conducted in both counties, laying the foundation for the strong partnerships and collective implementation. In Kilifi County, this commitment was further strengthened through the signing of a memorandum of understanding with the county government, making a significant step towards advancing disability prevention and rehabilitation at a scale. As we close Q4 and look ahead, DPRP remains committed to building inclusive systems, empowering communities, and expanding across to essential services, ensuring that no child or persons with disability is left behind. Thank you for watching.